So I'm going to show you how to do some cool stuff on your Apple TV. If you want to move one of the icons, you just hold down in the center, and then you can move it to wherever you want to move them around. And then if you actually hit the bottom button on your remote, which is the play, and then it also has the pause on there, it will open up this, and then you can create folders, and you can move different apps into different folders. You can see all the folders that I have created. If you want to open up a new folder, you can do that by just clicking New Folder. And then you can name it whatever you want. And then we'll hit Menu to get back out of that. And then if we want to add more apps to it, we just go like that, and then hit the play, pause button, and then we'll go down here to the folder we just created, which was entertainment. So then that'll move that into entertainment. Another thing is if you hit this button right here twice, you can close out of your apps by sliding up. So just slide up. And that's all the apps I have open right now. But if you've never done that, you'll have a whole bunch of apps open. So you want to make sure to close out of your apps every once in a while. And then another cool trick that you can do with the Apple TV is you can take your smartphone or any Apple or iPad. Hang on 2 seconds. And you can slide up, and you'll go to screen mirroring, and then you'll hit Apple TV, and then it will put your screen of your iPhone onto your big TV like I just did. Pretty cool. And you can watch videos that way if you just want to select them off of your iPhone, for example. Like we'll go to one on Instagram. And now it'll show my Instagram on my TV or whatever else. Shout out Smash Stunts. Some other cool stuff you can do. Hit menu to get out of that. Is to make the volume work on your remote. What you have to do is go into settings. And then go down to video and audio. And you'll go to you'll actually go to remote and devices. My bad, sorry. And then you'll go down to turn on your TV with the remote. And that'll just turn on your TV whenever you turn on your Apple remote. And then you'll go down to volume control though to control the volume. And you just have to go to edit devices and then just go to TV, VR, and just go through the steps to set that up. And that's some cool stuff that you can do with Apple TV. Another cool thing you can do is hold down on the microphone button and let's say, what is the weather? And it'll show me what the weather is. I scroll up and it shows me the forecast for today by hourly and what the weather is currently. Or you can also hold down on that same button and say, what time is it? And it'll tell you the time. Another cool thing you can do how tall is LeBron James? And it'll show you how tall that player is and give you some of their stats. Another cool thing you can do, what was the score of the Lakers game? You can go, and what you do to do that is you just go up, and then I'll do that again so I can show you. Hold down. What was the score of the Lakers game? And then you just slide up and it'll show you some more information. And that's some cool stuff that you can do on the Apple TV. And then to charge your remote, you just use an Apple iPhone or iPad charger and just plug it right in there and it'll charge your remote for you. But yeah, that's pretty much all of some cool tricks that I know that you can do on the Apple TV. So please leave a like, a comment if you thought this video was good. If you thought this video sucked, please let me know. Any feedback is welcome, because every day we taking it, every day we taking it, every day we taking it. Yeah! Subscribe.